Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a Kia Soul 2018 EX trim level. Car has fog lights, aluminum alloy wheels, and it's painted a beautiful blue color. Going down the driver's side of the car, you can see those wheels and see that beautiful blue color. Inside we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have a heated steering wheel, traction control. This little Soul only has 27,870 kilometers on it. Steering wheel has audio and cruise control, as well as Bluetooth and other functions for the car. Has Sirius XM radio, of which a 3-month subscription to Sirius XM is provided with the car at absolutely no cost to you. Has a backup camera. Down below, climate control and 2 heated front seats. Auxiliary and USB input ports, as well as 12-volt charging ports. And of course, it's an automatic transmission. Cloth seats are done up in a black color with gray inserts. The driver's seat is height adjustable. Going to the rear. Lots of room back here for people. Very comfortable car to ride in and easy to get in and out of. Those 2 back seats are a 60-40 split on the back. Therefore, you can lay them down either one side or the other, depending what you're carrying and how much space you need. Show that EX badge. In the back, plenty of room for suitcases, outdoor bags, gym bags, sports bags, groceries, any kind of thing you have to carry. If you need more room, you simply fold down one of those seats. As I say, they're a 60-40 split. You can fold down the bigger side, have somebody sitting on the smaller side, or if you have 2 people, you can put them on the bigger side and lay the smaller side down. Up to you as to what you need at the time. This absolutely gorgeous little blue 2018 Kia Soul EX is available from West Coast Kia. Remember, we're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. We're open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. Come on down, take the Soul out for a ride. You can never tell how well it's going to work for you and your family unless you actually come down and drive it. See how well your family fits the Soul. See how well the Soul fits your family. Can't make an informed decision until you've actually done a test drive. So we invite you to come in. Again, that's West Coast Kia, just over the bridge in Maple Ridge.